Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the cyclic loading over a beam column joint, and the column is the open leg that we use weld connection between this steel plate and two column. This is the open leg column, and we use, let me check it here, and we use a steel angle here also for the steel beam and the connection of it with column. So now if I click on animate, you can see the displacement and the deformation, and let me check it with the stress. Click on animate. This is the stress propagation in the beam column and the column base here. See, if I zoom at the critical zone here, you can see the separation happen here between the column and beam, but the still angle with weld connection hold it. You can see that. Let me check the AC yield. Let me remove the beam here, it is better to check the deformation. You can check any result for this, you can check any result, but the important thing is the hysteresis diagram. If I click on plot, you can see the hysteresis diagram. You should notice to this point, you should use the uh, particular type of the plasticity of the hardening method to extract the hysteresis diagram with correct values. Now, in this tutorial, we can use kinematic combined plasticity to perform this in here. So, if you need to model beam column joint or open leg beam under cyclic loading, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, click on the title or blue sign. Then you will have title, geometry, assembly, material method, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. You can see it here. You can provide CAE English video file step by step, and for the payment you can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to tell you more about the payments method and the tutorial. We have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials, all aspects of simulation and modeling here. You can see we have all titles here that you need to be master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus. These are the main titles, and there are many subtitles inside this main title. You can read about them here: welding, bioforming, crack, soil, anything. So the cost for this package is so affordable. And if you want to be mastering the Abaqus, contact me to this email to provide this full package. Thank you for your attention.